in the first place, so what you got to say?
He is the face of the protest movement against police brutality in Dallas, but it will be a long time before Dominique Alexander is back on the protest line. The activist is in jail to serve a 2-year sentence for probation violations from a child abuse case.
Today he talked with us, Fox 4 News, taking some responsibility for his actions, but also putting a lot of blame on the chief of police in Dallas. Fox 4's Natalie Solis sat down with Alexander at the Dallas County Jail. Natalie.
Steve and Heather, Dominique Alexander admits he was responsible for fulfilling the terms of his probation and for the consequences that come with violating it. But he says his violations had already been addressed in court, and he blames law enforcement for pressuring the judge in his case to issue a motion to revoke, thereby silencing the voice of his movement.
I will continue. However, I'm not a perfect individual.
27-year-old Dominique Alexander, founder of Next Generation Action Network, covered extensively by media. But Monday, he would only talk to us from jail if we agreed not to show his face, explaining he did not want his children to see him in prison stripes, likening his plight to other civil rights leaders.
No one is perfect. Dr. King wasn't perfect, Malcolm X wasn't perfect, Gandhi wasn't perfect, Nelson Mandela, many other leaders that have came before me, Al Lipscomb, nobody was perfect.
Alexander led the July 7th police brutality protests that ended with 5 officers dead at the hands of a gunman. Since then, he says he's been under attack, saying his arrest and subsequent prison sentence are political maneuvers to silence and discredit him. And he blames Dallas Police Chief David Brown for that.
What are your thoughts on why you're here today?
Because of my activism, because of my community organizing, I'm here to this day. I didn't do anything wrong.
Alexander's most serious criminal case is a felony child abuse conviction for violently shaking his girlfriend's 2-year-old son in 2009. He says he'd had a hearing about various probation violations, including leaving the state August 3rd. And the judge, Gracie Lewis, sentenced him to 30 days of community service, which he had until early September to complete. But the tipping point came August 8th at City Hall, where he turned up prior to a protest that Chief Brown had asked him to cancel. Alexander was arrested on traffic warrants. He claims Judge Lewis was persuaded by law enforcement to revoke his probation for violations he felt he'd already answered to.
I am in a good place, and I see the light down the tunnel.
Alexander says he is still in touch with members of Next Generation Action Network and new leadership is in place, but claims he doesn't know what, if any, protests they have planned in the future.
I'm okay, because guess what? I don't have to deal with probation. I don't have to deal with probation till 2023 when I'm dealing with it. I can get out of here and I can live my life and I can continue to do what God has placed me on earth to do. And I'm okay with that.
Now, Alexander is in administrative custody at the discretion of the Dallas County Sheriff's Office that keeps him away from other inmates for his own safety. Now, we also reached out to Chief Brown and Judge Gracie Lewis about Alexander's comments. We have not heard back from the chief, and we are told the judge is away on vacation. Heather, back to you.